So, comrades of the Communist Party, I'm going to talk about it. You are the ANC. You are different. You must not howl people. You must be organized. You must show not only discipline, but you must show that you understand your politics. And you must show that the politics who are giving you of the foundational course are working. And we must see those politics in your conduct. Ukuthi ningabantu abadevelopayo. Politics and political education is the food of soul. It changes the behavior. It changes our way of thinking. Don't be deterred. Myekeni lo comrade we-Communist Party akhulume simzwe. Aqede le politika ayishoyo makaqeda simcorrectishe with a red pen. Ngoba manje uzohamba athi lapha eMpumalanga was howled by the ANC, and that is going to be the story. ANC, we don't do that. In the ANC, we don't howl visitors. Even if they disrespect us, we don't howl them. Bayeke bangahloniphi in our platform. But sizokuba correctisha because the ANC is a vanguard. You understand what is a vanguard? Mawumkhulu comrade, awusatyiswa zizinto ezincane. You show leadership. Ufana nemoto, you look like a car that has got shock absorbers. Mayamba lapho kungekho skuntiri right, it is ze. It is ze. Ihambe. That car has got shock absorbers. The ANC has got shock absorbers. It's not shaken. And I'm going to explain to you why and where do we stand with this decision of the Communist Party to stand on its own. We still want the Communist Party to be within the fold. And why, as the ANC, we must not give up on the Communist Party. It's correct. Others will say to you, abanawo amanani. Masiya ku-by-election babuya nge-70. They were not formed for that. That's why the best of the best in terms of thinking and theory and ideology in the ANC, we always knew a communist. Umuntu mawumbona ehlakaniphile ngepolitiki yethu yomzabalazo. Masimbuza simlandelela simphenya sithole ukuthi tyhini likommunist. Besiyazi kanjalo. Communist Party never came to the ANC with numbers. That's why Tina ntozaziyo utiyo soka ucho Tina ntozaziyo asothukana. Masibabona bekhola boma 4 votes, 3 votes. Ayonto yabo. In the ANC, we have always understood that the Communist Party brought quality. Ayizisanga nje ugcwala. The Communist Party brought quality in the ANC. They shaped our direction and everything else, and they gave us political education. So ndifuna ukuthi ke macomrade wami nina ilentu kwede asishawutayo athi no siyacula dololo capacity. And ngiyayazi lonto niphethe kabi. And sesixolisile ngayo, please. But comrades, tomorrow makungathiwa labantu be-ANC zindlavini ezingana politiki. They howled the Communist Party in their platform. Uyazi ngesikhathi kuzabalazo kunzima. There were people when we were a group like this, they were very militant. Eningabo futhi ithi masihlangene bathi hey masishaya petrol bomb. Ubona umuntu nje thukuthele nje. Siyayazi thina ukuthi angeke ukhulume ngepetrol bomb amabhulu azokushaya kubulala. But masihlangene lo muntu ukhuluma ngepetrol bomb ukhuluma ngokubulala ukhuluma ngento yonke. Kanti lo muntu lo sisitha phakathi kwethu usebenzela lamabhulu. But make yedwa le militants ayikho. Lento yokubonakala ukuthi no umuntu nje othukuthele iyaphela make yedwa. Ilento sibiza ngeEnglish phecelezi kuthiwa i-mob psychology. Asizabalazi nge-mob. Sizabalaza nge-content. And le content siyanika. Ixhaphakile ngoku ngesixhosa kuthiwa it is in abundance in English. It is called the basics of the ANC foundational course. It teaches you the behavior in a cadre of the ANC. That Oliver Tambo says we must be distinguishable from thugs and criminals. A revolutionary must be distinguishable from a tsotsi and a criminal. Uyibona revolutionary mama ihamba namayikhuluma ukuthi hey nembeko lento. Ihloniphekile ichubekile. The way he talks, the way he moves, the way he approaches things, he's got discipline. He's a revolutionary. He's different from a komtsotsi. Utsotsi nje ogcoke impahla ezifana nezethu. Kunzima ke manje ukuhlukanisa otsotsi phakathi kwethu ngoba bagcoka ingubo zethu. Bagcoka njengathi bakhuluma njengathi. But how you distinguish? You distinguish between a revolutionary, a good comrade of the ANC is the behavior. So, we ANC, as you gather in this PGC, you are the advanced layer of leadership in Mpumalanga. You are the ones who are going to deliver victory for the African National Congress. Akekho omunye umuntu who's going to deliver victory is going to be you. Siziqhenya ngani. And that is why we are happy today that you are succeeding in the tasks that you have set for yourself. You are succeeding from the shock we come from. Kukho abantu abathi no angeke isucceed iMpumalanga nansi yini le iPGC le. Kukho abantu abanochuku abafuna ukuthi no singakhi ANC sakhe ifaction. Sakha iANC la eMpumalanga sakhe ifaction. And iANC la eMpumalanga ikhokhelwa ngumandla. And mna njengonobhala ndingunobhala we-ANC. Whether ungikhethile ungikhethanga enkomfeni ndingunobhala we-ANC. Angizulalela abantu abazothi kum bashaye ngoba angeke bakusupport uyaphambili angiyincengi support yabo ngincenga support yabo for iANC. Uyabona comrades manikhulisa iANC niyenza lento yiyo eMpumalanga. You are not impressing Mbalula, you are impressing generations to come. You are not serving a faction. You are serving our great movement. Oh, Ramaphosa, oh, Mbalula, they will come and go. Others must take over. And they must not take over a carcass. Our organization has not done well. And we must stand up together, united, and focus on the task. Kuthiwa ngesiXhosa nize nenye. Nenza kakhulu. And funeka nenze kakhulu mandla. And that way we are going to support you. And I'm happy that our leadership, led by Comrade Joe, working here, even abanye abezi with deployment. But Comrade Joe is always here. Joe Part. Because he understands the assignment. NEC members don't attend their obligations. But mabafuna ukukhethwa. Angeke bakhale ngokuthi abana mali yokufika eMpumalanga. Banayo. Banivuse ebusuku nilele. Hey, aninikhethe comrade. Ndifuna uba yile nale. Ufanele mabafuna nibakhethe nithi, "Hey, sade sakufuna uvelaphi?" Manje, we give them an opportunity to work with the structures. Abafiki. Mathi ngesikhathi senkomfa kuzaba nama-lectures odlula la. I-lecture ka-Oliver Tambo ikhona umuntu ozoyi-lecturer la. I-lecture ka-Mandla Ndlovu izoba khona la. I-lecture kabani bani. NEC members must interact with branches and understand their problems and their difficulties and guide them politically in the renewal project of the ANC.